From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the weekly nat gas chart, and as you can see, we are closing with a candlestick that's either going to be a continuation hammer or a hanging man. A breakdown below the bottom of it signifies that we will probably go looking towards 5 and then 450. A break above the top of it means we're going to fight all of this noise up here. The question now is, will the market continue to treat this game between Putin and the Germans as reality? Putin says that all nat gas contracts are to be paid in rubles now, thereby lifting the value of his own currency and completely circumventing the markets. The Germans state that they will only pay in euros. Putin has suggested, or actually ordered, that if contracts are paid in euros, that it is to be shut down. So the question is, can Germany live without natural gas? The theory, of course, is that Germany will eventually switch to U.S. LNG, and that may be true, but that is a longer-term story. It certainly won't affect this year's drilling. So a little overdone, but markets have been irrational, and it's not just here, it's everywhere. We've seen these massive runs, and in fact, crude oil did the exact same thing before pulling back. So it's hard to tell, but based upon daily charts, I do see the bottom of this kicking off a hanging man, and that could be a recovery. I think we will continue to move on the latest rumor or headline, and therefore it makes trading natural gas a very messy affair. I've been trading in small positions and waiting for structural breakdowns, which quite frankly we haven't had much of. I'm not willing to chase it all the way up here. That would be foolish. You can see where it could drop. It could drop right back down to 350 by the time it's all said and done. And in a levered market like natural gas, that could blow your account up. Quite frankly, when a market's moving on the latest rumors, it's almost untradeable. And that is why I have found more opportunities in some other forms of energy, namely crude oil, but there are some other ones out there that can be traded as well if you have the proper broker. At this point, I do think we're overdone, but you could have said that last week as well. So interesting to see. I have a trigger to the short side, to the upside. I mean, we'd have to clear 650 to clear all of this. That's a lot of work still.